Hi everyone. Let's learn sentence and its different kinds. As I have already told you, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It is the subject and the predicate. The two main parts of a sentence are the subject and the predicate. How can we find out the subject? Take the verb and ask the question who or what. Keep in mind you have to take the verb. Taking the verb, you have to ask the question who or what. A book is lying on the table. Take the verb and then ask what is lying on the table. You will get the answer. A book is lying on the table. So a book is the subject. Now, different kinds of sentence. First one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentences make some statements like I am playing football, she is a good player, flowers bloom in spring. Declarative sentences can be of two types, affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentences make positive statements like I play hockey, and negative sentences make negative statements like I do not play hockey. I can write French is an affirmative sentence. I cannot write French is a negative sentence. But both of these are declarative sentences. Next is, first is declarative sentence, second is interrogative sentences. They ask questions. Now, there can be different types of questions. First is WH question. Such type of sentences ask questions beginning with WH words like what, who, when, whom, where. Keep in mind HOW, how is also a WH type word. Don't get confused. HOW, how is also a WH word. Next is yes no question. Means if you can answer the question in either yes or no. Suppose I ask you, do you like cricket? Either you will say yes or you will say no. So this is a yes no type of question. The answer that can be, the question that can be answered in either yes or no is a yes no question. Third is choice question. Choice questions are those questions where the answer is in the question itself and the choice is given to you. Means out of the options given, you have to choose one answer. Suppose I say, would you like to have tea or coffee? Now, answers are in the question itself, tea or coffee. Out of these two options, you have to choose one, tea or coffee. So this is the choice question. So first is WH question, second is yes no question, third is choice question, and the fourth one is tag question. Now tag questions are the interrogative pieces that are added after a declarative sentence or an imperative sentence. The sentence will be either declarative or imperative, and after that something will be added to ask questions, small pieces like I say she is a good player. Now this is a declarative sentence and I add tag to it, she is a good player, then I will add isn't she. Now isn't she I have added after a declarative sentence, so this becomes a tag question. She can write French. This is a declarative sentence. After this I will add can't she. Now this becomes a tag question. Keep in mind, if the statement is affirmative, the tag part will have not in it. Suppose I say she is a good player. Now this is affirmative. So in tag part I will add not, isn't she. And if the beginning sentence already has not in it, the tag part will not have not in it. Like she cannot write French. Already there is not in it. So the tag part will be can she. In the tag part I will not write not. So if it is an affirmative sentence, in the tag part you will add not, And if it is a negative sentence, in the tag part you will not add not. So the interrogative sentences are of four kinds. First, WH questions. They will begin with WH words, and how is also a WH word, HOW, keep in mind. Next is yes no question. Either you will answer in yes or you will answer in no. Do you live in Delhi? Either you will say yes or you will say no. So this is a yes no question. Third is choice question, where choice is given in the question itself and you have to choose out of the options. Fourth is tag question. After the declarative or imperative sentences, tags are added. So that becomes a tag question. So first is declarative, second is interrogative. Now third one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are used where we give some sort of advice or information or command or request, or we make some request. Suppose I say please open the door. So this is a sort of request. This is an imperative sentence. Suppose I say go for a morning walk daily. Now this is a sort of suggestion. So this is also an imperative sentence. You should take this medicine twice a day. This is a sort of suggestion. So this is also an imperative sentence. In imperative sentences, there will be either some piece of advice or command or order or suggestion. Now fourth one is exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, there will be sudden feelings of surprise or shock, something like that. Suppose I see a beautiful picture and I say, wow, what a beautiful picture this is. Now this is a sudden feeling. So sudden feelings of joy, happiness, these are expressed in exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentences generally, keep in mind, not always, generally end with an exclamation mark. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. Imperative sentences end with a full stop, and declarative sentences also end with a full stop. Thank you.